Welcome back to the David Automobile Channel, luxury car enthusiasts. Today, we're setting our sights on the horizon and exploring the potential arrival of the much-anticipated 2025 BMW X7. Buckle up, because while concrete details are scarce, we'll be diving into what we do know, along with some educated guesses about what this behemoth of an SUV might hold. The current 2024 X7 is still rolling off production lines, but whispers of a 2025 upgrade have started to pique our interest. While there's no official confirmation from BMW yet, the automaker typically follows a 4-year refresh cycle for its X models. The X7 received a significant update in 2022, so a complete redesign in 2025 might not be the case. However, the possibility of a mid-cycle refresh with some exciting tweaks can't be entirely ruled out. With no official word, pinpointing a release date is tricky. But based on past release cycles, a late 2024 or early 2025 arrival wouldn't be surprising. Remember, this is just speculation. Staying tuned to official BMW announcements is key. The current X7 starts at a luxurious price point. If the 2025 model receives significant upgrades, we can expect a slight bump in cost. Keep an eye out for official pricing closer to the release date. The current X7 boasts a bold and elegant design. We might see some refinements to the exterior in the 2025 model, perhaps a revised grille design, new wheel options, or even subtle tweaks to the headlights and taillights. The X7's interior is already a marvel of comfort and technology. A 2025 refresh could introduce new premium materials, updated infotainment systems, or even advancements in passenger comfort features. The current X7 offers a range of powerful engine options. The 2025 model could see some tweaks to existing engines for improved performance or efficiency. A hybrid powertrain option is a possibility, but purely speculative at this point. The 2025 X7 might still be shrouded in a bit of mystery, but that just adds to the excitement. Keep an eye on the David Automobile Channel for the latest updates and official announcements from BMW. If you're a fan of luxury SUVs or simply enjoy a good automotive mystery, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single twist.